Hello, I'm Tim with the Car Doctor channel, coming to you from my repair shop here at Donor Automotive in Anchorage, Alaska. And I've got a quick video on replacing the interior door handle. This particular vehicle is a 2000 GMC Savanna 3500, but this video is going to kind of cover Chevrolet Express vans as well as the Savannas, the interior door handle, which breaks and is a common failure. The inside pull itself breaks off. It's just cast aluminum and they fail, especially in colder climates here in Alaska. They get cold and the door freezes and people pull on it. Maybe they get in an argument with their wife or girlfriend and they have to exit the vehicle immediately. Then this happens, and then bad things happen after that. You got to roll the window down and actually jump out. But anyway, this is a pretty straightforward and simple fix here. Going to require pulling some door panel hardware, some linkage clips, and removing the inside handle assembly. So let's get right to it. So in this case, we're going to remove this, basically the inside armrest area here. There's just two screws attaching this to the inner door frame itself. Once you remove those, you pull this armrest out of the way and get that out of the way. And then there's a little Phillips screw here, just securing the handle assembly to the door panel. You want to remove that as well. Just a little Phillips screw there. Now we'll remove this small bezel here, and that'll expose a Phillips screw behind it. We're also going to remove that. Now we have a little trim piece up here, which I'm using a trim tool to just gently pop those retainer clips out of there and remove this unit. Okay, here's the part where you want to may use some caution. You know, the old school door panels, they used to pop out. We take our trim tool and get behind it and pry it out. Don't do that in this case. This door panel, once you've got these screws out, it slides straight up and then releases off the retainer. Then you want to continue to support it and then remove the wiring in behind there that go to the window switches and other controls. All right, now we've got the inner door exposed. We're going to pull back our plastic here, and this is the handle assembly we're going to replace. We need to take this retainer off, and basically it's just a little button in the center that we depress. And once we've got that little button pushed in, we can pop this retainer out. Like so. Now that gives us the ability to slide the handle assembly. We're going to slide it forward here. All right, now that gives us the ability to access these linkages on the back side. Okay, now we've got the handle assembly pulled back. First, we're going to remove the linkage that actually opens the door latch by tilting the handle assembly up, and that'll give us the ability to remove the linkage that actuates the lock itself. So just carefully work that off of the linkage like that. Now we just reverse the procedure and install the new handle assembly. So just remove your new part from the box and let's get ready to put this thing on. Okay, again, first we install the lock linkage to the replacement handle. Just work it on there. Be careful not to break any of the plastic parts. Now we'll move on to the door latch linkage. And there we go. Now let's line things back up. Just tap it back into place. Now I'm going to use a replacement retainer to secure the handle assembly. Go ahead and button things up. Now we reinstall our attaching hardware and trim pieces. And attach the inside armrest. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and verify the operation of the door handle itself, make sure the lock is cycling properly. We'll verify that the switches are all functioning as they should, and we'll clean it up and get this thing out the door. Great DIY project for you guys out there who have a little bit of mechanical ability and want to save a few bucks by doing it yourself. Hey, I appreciate you watching. I hope this video was helpful, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.